Hello everyone, welcome today on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 26th, 2022. I have not so good news because we have only three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. Yes, no additional today, no extra puzzles. Let me show you. um well, as you know, the solution, if I have no extra puzzles, no additional, uh, I will do as a solution the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. Yes, the yesterday edition of Tuesday. I have three puzzles left. Look, no puzzles. Let me show you the Tuesday page. The Tuesday edition, we have three puzzles left. This is the Tuesday's edition, Tuesday, October the 25th. Three puzzles are left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. So, three puzzles later on. But first, these three regular puzzles. First one I will do is the binary puzzle. Well, what's the news of today? Well, today it's War Day number 245. 245 days ago, the war has started in Ukraine against Russia, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, all the prices are going up. The gas, the electricity bill, bread, everything is are expensive. Anyway, let's continue with the puzzles. First puzzle is a binary puzzle number 5384. 5384. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. With doubles, yeah. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1. Sorry, between two ones comes an O. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to think. Or overlook something. Oh, no, here, double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Then. Let me see. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I need to think now. I need to think. Comparing. There's also a question comparing. Okay. Now I need to look. Look. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here and here. Yeah. How about the columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Here could be also. Yeah. 1001. Let me see. 1001. No. But this one, double O. Here also. Overlook this one. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Okay. So here we have double O. Yeah. Yes, this column and that column to compare. 1 empty box. 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. If I don't switch those digits, then we have identical columns. Not allowed, one of the rules. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 5 O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Well, and now, compare again. Nope, between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 3 1s. Okay. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Only one time comparing. Completed in 9 minutes. Well. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles in this daily newspaper of Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.